Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain you a poem. How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. Students, it is an inspiring poem. It has been written by Catherine Pyle. So the name of the poem is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly, and the name of the poet is Catherine Pyle. Students, it is a very inspiring poem. It tells us how it takes courage to try things out. This poem is about courage. Students, courage means bravery. To be brave and confident enough to do what you believe in to do. So the poet describes how courage can help us to overcome our fears. It means everyone is having some fear in the mind. When a person overcome the fear, it means that person became, after overcoming the fear, that person have become courageous. Now we are going to start the poem. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. So here, the little kite thought that it could never fly high up in the sky. The little kite saw others flying high over his head and felt that it would have a fall. So the little kite was scared. The little kite was in fear. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite. Only try. So here, then a big kite came there. The big kite said very encouraging words to him. The big kite convinced the little kite to fly by asking him to try and try until you get success. So the big kite says that one can never learn who never tried. So you have to try hard until you achieve your goals. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. So again, the big kite is saying that if you are not trying, you will never learn to fly. So the little kite again answering the big kite that I am so scared. I am still scared of a fall, of a failure. It means the little kite was not gathering the courage to fly because the little kite was scared of having a fall over there. Students, in this first stanza, I have explained to you, this is the first stanza, and I have explained to you all these 6 lines, and here you are having the rhyming words said, head, fly, try, all, fall. I think the rhyming pair of words are clear to you and the meanings of some words are very clear to you for the extracts. Okay, students. Now we are going to start with the second stanza. The big kite nodded, well, goodbye. I am off. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. So the big kite nodded with the agreement that now the big kite is going in high up in the sky, and the big kite moved away, rose up. The big kite moved its head up and down to show that the big kite agreed with the little kite. And the big kite said, okay, now I'm going to fly high in the sky, and it says goodbye. So this is goodbye. Then the little kite's paper stood at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. So the little kite, when the big kite rose up, the big kite goes up. The little kite, when the big kite rose towards the quiet sky, the little kite gathered courage, and the little kite prepared himself for the first flight. So what did he do then? The little kite moved its paper. The little kite moved, stirred its paper, and had a view. And took the view of the sky and shook himself free for the flight. And shook himself and started the efforts. So the little kite did some effort and prepared itself for the flight. First whirling and frightened, then braver grown, up he rose through the air alone. So the little kite, first of all, it moved round and a bit scared. First of all, whirling is done by the little kite, moving round and round and round and round. A bit scared. Then it bravely grew up, grew higher, rose up through the air and rose high in the sky, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. So the big kite was looking at the small kite. The big kite was looking at the little kite and was happy to see that the little kite was coming up slowly and gradually with the great confidence. So now, after rising up in the sky, the little kite is having confidence in it. So the students, now the second stanza I think is clear to you. I have written over here the meanings of some difficult words. The word meanings are also given to you. In this stanza, goodbye, sky. So these are the rhyming words. Goodbye, sky, sight, fight, grown alone, see, steadily. So these are the rhyming pair of words for this stanza.